Ever wondered how much your dollar is worth in Beam Wallet? It might surprise you. Let's dive into the world of Beam and uncover the value of your hard-earned dollar. Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user anonymity and security. It operates on the Beam blockchain, a decentralized network that enables secure and private transactions. One of the key aspects of Beam is its unique economic model, which influences the value of its native cryptocurrency, Beam. The dynamic nature of cryptocurrency values. Before we delve into the specific exchange rate between USD and Beam, it's important to understand that cryptocurrency values are highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly. Factors such as market sentiment, technological advancements, and global economic events can all impact the price of a cryptocurrency. Checking the current exchange rate. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on the USD to Beam exchange rate, you can use a cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Binance, KuCoin, or other exchanges that support Beam trading will display real-time exchange rates. Simply input the amount of USD you want to convert and the exchange will calculate the equivalent amount of Beam. Consult a cryptocurrency price tracking website. Websites like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap provide comprehensive information on various cryptocurrencies, including Beam. They display current prices, historical data, and market trends. Factors affecting the exchange rate. Several factors can influence the USD to Beam exchange rate. Market demand and supply. As the demand for Beam increases, its value relative to the USD tends to rise. Conversely, if demand decreases, the value may decline. Technological advancements. Positive developments within the Beam network, such as new features or improved security protocols, can positively impact its value. Global economic conditions. Economic events, such as recessions or geopolitical tensions, can affect the overall cryptocurrency market, including Beam. Regulatory environment. Government regulations and policies regarding cryptocurrencies can have a significant impact on their value. A note on volatility. It's crucial to remember that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile. Exchange rates can change rapidly, sometimes within minutes. Therefore, it's advisable to monitor the market closely and be prepared for fluctuations. While it's challenging to provide a fixed exchange rate between USD and Beam due to market volatility, using reliable sources like cryptocurrency exchanges and tracking websites is the best way to get accurate information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.